Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome back at it again. All right, so I have a number of the cameras already connected. As you guys can see, we also have the OBSBOT Talent right here set up. So we have two of the OBSBOT Tail Airs. We have one here and we have one over here. And we also have the new OBSBOT Tail 2. And in the back there, we have the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite that is connected using one USB cable to connect right here. So this is kind of my setup, guys. As I was saying before, really simply, you can use this remote to control all of these different cameras. You can have multiple camera feeds. You can do your picture-in-picture. So if I switch now, just tap on the screen. Now I did set up the transitions. You don't have to use transitions. You can just do a clean cut. There's a variety of transitions you can use as you switch between the different scenes. But I just want you guys to see how each one of the cameras are coming in. So right now what you're looking at is the camera feed from the Tiny 2 Lite back here and off to the side here. That is this camera right here that's directly in front of me. That's on this little newer motorized dolly. Now, what's cool about this is I can put this camera in tracking mode, okay? And now, as I move the camera around, the camera will track me pretty much wherever I go. The camera is able to keep me in the track, in the shot. So, again, a ton of features, guys, that you can use with these cameras. Now, like I said, I have 3 cameras connected right now. Using the remote, I can switch between any of those. I can go to camera 1, and I can adjust that, as you guys see here. Okay, I can go to camera 2. We can adjust that camera as well, up, down. We can also zoom in and zoom out. I can go over to camera 3, which is this camera here, and I can adjust this camera just as easily. Now this camera is also in tracking mode, so if we switch back over here, you guys can see that camera is currently tracking me as well. And so are the others also tracking me, guys. So if you're very active in your productions, if you move around a lot, maybe you're doing some demos where you're showing a product and you want to be able to place the product up in front of the camera. I don't know how well you guys can see how fast that just focused on this remote. So yeah, this is going to be an excellent setup for a lot of people, guys. I am actually surprised that I haven't incorporated these cameras into my regular live stream. So a lot of times I've just been using the setup that I've been using for a long time. But I can honestly tell you guys, if this was all I had to work with, I would be more than happy with this setup. And the fact that you have this monitor that you can also output your multi-view and see all of your different cameras at one time. You can switch back and forth. So many features. Of course, with the Talent, you also have the ability to control your audio. So you can have all your different audio levels coming in. And of course, you can still connect a microphone to this, wireless microphones, or in my case, the Rodecaster Pro 2 plug-in right here on the line in or mic in on this unit. And it's worked perfectly for me. Very portable. And you can also bring in your web graphics. As you guys see down here, we have, the original RomeKnowsTech.live graphics that I was using on Amazon and other platforms. You have a ton of different things that you can do with this remote, as well as turning it off, turning it on, your cameras. You can also connect the remote to the Talent and allow it to switch scenes for you. So just like I'm pressing the buttons on here, I can actually go in and I can find the remote, and there is our remote. So I can drag that up. We can add that remote. Okay. And now what we'll be able to do, if we wanted to connect the remote to the Talent, now it's connected to the Talent instead of the cameras. And what this is going to allow me to do is to switch scenes, and you just double click on 2 and I go to 2. I double click on 3. I'm gonna switch back over to camera 3. And if I advance this forward, now I have a new selection of numbers here. So if I double click on 1, it's going to take me over to the camera that's facing from that perspective. So the remote brings a lot of, powerful tools to the system as well. So either you can control just the cameras by themselves, or you can control the cameras and the Talent, you know, which is a great combination to be able to utilize all of these different things together. All right, so let's see. Let's go here and disconnect. Let's disconnect it. And let's close that. Now we should be able to go back and start just controlling the cameras now with this. So I'm going to switch over to camera 3. And now we should be able to, there we go. As you guys can see, I can now control the camera again. I can also zoom in and I can zoom out. All of that with just this one little remote. So again, if you are looking for an easy way to set up your live streams, to set up your content creation, this could be an excellent solution. You know, you can have a portable monitor, encoder, recorder. You can also live stream directly from this device if I neglected to mention that. So you have a lot of features there. You can live stream to, right now, pre-set up here, you can live stream to YouTube, to Twitch. I have it also set up for like Amazon and Facebook and all of those different platforms I can live stream from. I can record everything that's coming in through the device. I can also take screenshots and I can play back pre-recorded content on this device, guys. So if you have videos that you already have pre-saved, you know, especially if you're doing shoppable videos or action videos or adventure videos and you want to be able to talk about those things, maybe you're doing podcasts, live video podcasts, and you've already recorded a guest and you want to be able to play that guest back. As you guys can see here, we have our little picture-in-picture here and we have the video running at the same time. So, you know, you have a lot of flexibility, guys, when it comes to this, and adding just a little bit of imagination can really take it to the next level. All right, guys, this has been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just wanted to do a further in-depth look at these cameras and how I feel like a lot of people can truly benefit from these cameras on a daily basis, whether it's for live streaming, content creation, or just Zoom calls. You know, this is going to be ideal for churches. It's going to be ideal for schools and small businesses that are trying to get their, you know, presence seen on social media. It just opens a lot of doors and it makes it really easy because all of these devices are very, very plug and play. They're really, really easy to set up. And I'm telling you, just like my video you guys are watching right now, there's a ton of videos out on these products because they are just that good. And you will find a ton of, you know, YouTubers and others, you know, just raving about how great these products are. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to finish off this day doing an amazing video for you guys. And I will catch you later in the next video. But until then, don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell to be notified, guys, next time I go live. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.